Safety Toolbox Talk number 405. How to use a fire blanket. 1. What is a fire blanket? A fire blanket is a sheet made of fire-resistant materials, usually woven fiberglass or specially treated fabric. It is designed to smother small fires by cutting off oxygen, which is one of the elements of the fire triangle: fuel, heat, oxygen. Commonly stored in a quick-release container for easy access in emergencies. Two. How does a fire blanket work? Fire needs oxygen to keep burning. When a fire blanket is placed over flames, it covers the fire completely, blocks oxygen supply, smothers the flames until they die out. 3. Where is a fire blanket used? Kitchens, pan fires, oil fires. Laboratories, chemical handling areas. Industrial sites, small equipment or machine fires. Residential areas, home kitchens, electrical fires. Personal protection if clothes catch fire. Four. Construction and features. Made of fiberglass or Kevlar-based fabric. Withstand very high temperatures, up to 900 degrees Celsius or more depending on type. Often comes in a wall-mounted container with pull-down tabs. Easy to use even without technical training. 5. Advantages of a fire blanket. Quick and simple to use. No mess or residue, unlike extinguishers. Safer for oil and grease fires compared to water. Effective for clothing fires. Portable and requires little maintenance. Six. How to use a fire blanket. Pull the tabs to release the blanket. Hold it in front of you with hands protected behind the fabric. Place it gently over the fire, never throw it. For clothing fires, wrap the person tightly from head down to smother flames. Turn off any heat source, gas/electricity, if safe. Leave the blanket in place until the fire is fully out and cooled. 7. Limitations of fire blankets. Only suitable for small fires, usually up to 3 feet x 3 feet area. Not effective for large or spreading fires. Must cover the fire completely to work. Not reusable after use. 8. Maintenance and storage. Store in a visible, accessible location, near kitchens, labs, workstations. Regularly check the container and fabric for damage. Replace immediately after use. Train workers or household members on correct usage. Nine. Conclusion. A fire blanket is a simple, fast, and effective fire safety tool for small emergencies. It is especially valuable for kitchen fires, lab incidents, and clothing fires. While not a replacement for extinguishers, it is an essential part of fire safety equipment. Remember, small fire blanket. Big fire evacuate and call emergency services. Thank you.